Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Right here, we got the Grom swap. This was the Grom that I put the CBR 250R motor on. I did this, I want to say a month or two ago it was complete. Something like that. Extended, Cerakoted cases. We got the radiator wedged up under there. The frame is bent, so there's some clearance issues, but got the calipers Cerakoted. This was burnt bronze. The exhaust I didn't weld, that was from a muffler shop local. There is some damage just from the brake arm. I'm actually installing a new rear set kit now. I'm just, I gotta like pretty much mock up the brake setup because it sits behind here differently. And with the swing arm being extended, it actually pulled the cable or whatever, the brake line. But here's the other side of that rear set, all blacked out. It did get complicated at a point. I think the most complicated point of this entire build was the Honda Grom and the CBR 250R. They're very similar in their wiring. So we had the CDI, the ECU to the CBR inside the wire harness, and the bike would not, it just wouldn't do anything. We were getting the bike to like fire and everything like that, but like we couldn't get like the fuel pump to work. Like it wasn't priming, it wasn't spraying, it wasn't doing anything, like, you know, control wise, nothing was functioning properly. And then finally we noticed the ECU off to the side, and my brother looks at it, and I was just like, he was just like, you know, kind of just looking at it, and then he picks it up and pops it in, and the gas, as soon as he hit the key switch, the gas sprayed everywhere from the tank. And we were just like, holy shit, because it was like, it wasn't even like, you know, this wasn't like, you know, a day. This was like damn near a week that we were trying to figure out what was going on, why we couldn't get the fuel pump to prime and whatnot. But finally we did that, and then we buttoned her up, got her all cleaned up, did a couple test pulls, lost the pipe in the process. But I'll tell you one thing, pound for pound him out there, he never came back with a disappointing story. Every single time he lined it up with somebody, it was definitely compliments all around. I'm super stoked about it. I definitely want to get a Grom. I don't think I would off the jump do a CBR swap, and if I did, it would definitely be like a reliable like stunter. I wouldn't extend the swing arm or anything like that. Probably put taller bars, stiffen up the front end a little bit, and just like a smooth sounding exhaust. Other than that, I would keep her as is. But overall, you guys let me know in the comment section what you think about this build. I think it did kind of extend over a long period of time because we were having like mishaps with ordering parts, and then a few parts said they were coming and then just never came. So we did have a couple setbacks like that. So it took some time, but she's running strong as ever now. We're only swapping the rear sets because my brother knocked the bike over, broke the rear set on the right side, so he went aftermarket. But like I was saying, let me know in the comment section what you guys think of this build. If you guys want to actually see some of the clips that I have from doing the build, I do have some clips, just like the time lapse of disassembling the CBR and disassembling this, and then a couple videos here and there of me, him, Ryan actually too. We got some clips of him. We were all going at it. So let me know in the comment section if you guys want to, you know, if you guys want me to put that video together so you guys can actually see what went into this build. Maybe you guys are interested in the build, or let me know if you guys want me to put up a video explaining what, like, how to do the build in a sense, because some videos I've watched them, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm not knocking anybody who made a YouTube video on the swap. I didn't make a full tutorial on doing it. It was very hard to be busy on the bike and record at the same time, and then doing the Cerakoting and having to buy a blaster and set that up, get a compressor. It was a headache, so I was not recording a lot. But I hope that's just the firework. But so we couldn't really get like a tutorial going. We were just really trying to get the project done. That was it. So if you guys do want me to actually post a video explaining how to do the build, because the videos, as I was getting at, the videos were great on YouTube currently, but they left out a lot of things that we were just drawing question marks, because it, like, the videos didn't explain, you know, just certain things with the bike. But you know, we got them worked out for the most part. She runs strong, starts right up. I don't have any coolant in. I would give you guys a fire up, but we just did a fresh oil change. I didn't put any coolant in. She's got a new clutch in her now because she was slipping a bit due to my my race head brother trying to race everybody, literally everybody. You so much as blink next to him, when that light turns green, it's on. Even if it's not on for you, it's on. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. If you're new to the channel and you would like to see this build or any of the other builds that I have going, click that subscribe button. If you guys like this video, found it informational or just interesting, click that like button. One click for you definitely helps me out a ton. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.